Yes, I'm Roman and today we are in Tourcoing. The first mention of Tourcoing was in the year 1080, just a few years after that of Lille in the year 1056. However, the year 1790 marks the official birth of the city of Tourcoing. Tourcoing is a city of monumentum and major projects that cultivates an environment allowing the greatest number of people to flourish and live together. Also, Tourcoing has the third largest population in Flanders, just after Lille and Douai. The Hospice d'Avre was founded in the year 1260 and was originally made for poor people. However, nowadays it has been converted into a cultural center for the citizens of Tourcoing. Now we will try to see if we can take a tour inside. So unfortunately the center is closed on a Tuesday, but it is open every other day. And here is what they are currently doing right now. Behind me, we have the church Saint-Église Christophe, which is the main church here in Tourcoing. It's a massive, beautiful structure that composes of a neo-Gothic architectural style. Yes, we are currently at Exotic Market, which is an African store. I went inside and it was amazing. And for a long time in France, I haven't had plantains, and I found plantains. And there are a lot of other different African products and Caribbean-like products which are in Jamaica. Also, the owner is super nice. He's from Guinea. And we're talking a little bit, trying to see what we have in common, and it was simply amazing. We're currently at Le Musée de Saint-Jean 1944, but unfortunately it is closed and so we can't enter and say anything. Here we have l'Institut du Monde Arabe, which was formerly a swimming school and it is now a museum. It was unfortunately closed, but I asked some persons who were nearby what's inside, and they say that you have Arab works as well as works from Picasso and other famous persons. And that ends our trip here today at Tourcoing. It's an amazing city. It is quite calm, lovely, I like it. And the people are friendly. Also, there is a tertiary institution here. There's so much to see, much more than I thought. I thought that Tourcoing was a small city. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so that you may always be notified when I make an upload. And finally, where would you like for me to visit next? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you like for me to visit your city? Would you like to be in one of my videos? Would you like to go on a tour with me? Again, let me know and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.